Alright, so I'm back a day later. This is OBS. And did some brainstorming. Yep, my illegible handwriting here. And basically figured out a structure and a basic UI design, which I'm going to go through and implement now. So this here, it's going to go, because contracts are going to be generated dynamically. Just going to delete that. And I'm going to add in a new file. I'm going to call this product definitions. So my idea was basically, oh look at that. Got to add in the file extension JSON. So my idea was basically to have products, product definitions, and also company definitions. So different product lines would come from different companies. And most of the info for a contract, oh god, I made the same mistake again. Most of the info for a contract would come from the, this screen here, would come from the product definitions. So I'm just gonna go through it now. Let me see, how does this look? Just copy this for. So products will have a name, and right here I've got one image that I drew in the past. Let me see for products. So it's a CC. It's supposed to look like a CC lemon. Would call it a LL lime. CC. I don't know, RR. What fruit starts with R? Raspberry. Yeah, I don't know. Damn, I need a name for this. R. P, or it could be a P. PP pineapple. I like that. Let's go with that. The PP pineapple. And products will have a company ID. Yeah, so I've got this ID stuff now. I'm not sure if it'll be a number, or it might not be a number. I think I'll give it some actual name. So, who makes CC lemon? Centauri, right? Centauri, Suntory CC lemon. So you can see here. I think I tried to copy this. No. I can't find the exact bottle that I tried to copy. Anyway, that's some kind of thing that I drew. Okay. So the Suntory logo is what I'm interested in, because I want to know. Oh, so this is what the Suntory logo looks like. It's not really. It's not like Coca-Cola or something. What's the Coke logo here? I like the round one. Alright, I'm digressing. What are we going to call the company? Oh, I have to get creative. No, creativity. What do we have? We got Pepsi, Coca-Cola. There's a few other. Honestly, I only know those two. Okay, so we'll go with Coca-Cola be too? No, it's a little too similar. Let's go with soak instead of cook. Soka. Okay. So that's the company ID. That will refer to a company. Doesn't have speed. It'll have this loyalty requirement. So you might be thinking, what is this? This is basically a... Oh, I can't put comments in here. Damn it. I have to put the comments somewhere else. I don't know why, but these JSON files don't accept comments. I could do this, I guess. Loyalty requirement comment and just put it in as a field. But I'm not going to do that. This is basically a value between 0 and 1. And every company will have, you'll have a loyalty with that company. I just came up with this now. And based on what your loyalty with that company is, different products will become available. So let's say PB Pineapple, you get it right at the start, so there's no loyalty requirement. But if it was an endgame item, you need to like grind away and sell heaps of products for the soak company, then you know, the loyalty might be like 0.99 or something like that. Okay. The next item is, by the way, I just copy pasted all this stuff from a different file, so this stuff doesn't mean anything. Next item is cost price. Yeah, so basically you'll have your item cost price. So maybe this will be like $1 cost price, and then you'll have your recommended retail price, which might be like $2. And then when a contract is formed, these will vary by like 5% or 10% or whatever. I feel like that margin is too high. And these two don't actually matter right now. I'm going to keep it simple, and the game's only going to care about the margin. You're not going to have inventory. The vending machine is just going to sell the item, and it'll just give you 50 cents for every item you sell. You don't have to worry about like, I just ordered 100 bottles of this, and I need to pay $100 ahead of time, and then I'll get my 150 later. It's not gonna work like that. It's just gonna give you 50 cents. But there will be an initial cost to signing contracts, so that's important to keep in mind. I'll get into that later. I'm gonna give products an ID as well. So I'll call this PP Pineapple. It's basically an internal name and an external display name. And the image is, go right here, products, photo 1, PNG. Okay. There, so that's our first product in the product definitions thing. Now we want to go off to company definitions. I'm just going to copy this. So this company's ID is Soak. The name is Coca-Cola. This is going to be Soka-Sola. Yeah, Soka-Sola. Alright. Company. Yeah, these are not going to have much else. Just the name, the ID, and an image. And inside the game, we'll be keeping track of the loyalty as well. But that's not happening here. So I'm going to have to open this folder. I'm going to add a new folder in here. and we're gonna go here. So we wanna kind of copy this Coca-Cola thing. This doesn't support text, so, and I don't have a Wacom or anything right now, so I'm just gonna have to go with some freehand mouse drawing, and I'm gonna start a new palette with some purple colors. Oh no, I don't want purple. Let's go with because I'm gonna use purple for something else in a second. Let's go with orange for now. Kind of different kinds of orange. White and black and gray. So I'm gonna go with oh no. Oranges. Sorry about that. It seems to have messed up somehow. So I'm just gonna go through and add a bunch of oranges again. I think it might have been my keyboard. Not sure how that's related, but I'm gonna blame it on that. Okay. Just gonna add the black at the end as well. Okay, now I want to make a circle. I feel like giving it a background. Not a background, I mean a drop shadow. I kind of want to keep this. It looks like a. It looks like it could be a. Like a shiny spot. So let's fill this in. No, this is all going to be gray as well. And let's make this white. It doesn't seem to be a way to make this pen thicker. Yeah, it's a shame. Okay, I'll just have to make do with what I got. Soka Soka, B2 S's. for now. Let's get a selection. Maybe cut this out actually. There and I think this will do as a logo. Yeah, these S's are too high. Oh, snap. I'm chewing gum. I just realized. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. I'm just gonna put it away for now. Okay. So yeah, I'm done with this logo. So let's export that. And a company is born. SS. Sola. Oh, this should just be an ID. Alright, now I'm also gonna create a view. So basically the views are gonna look like this. You're gonna have a rectangular area for every contract, and they're gonna be scrollable. So I'm gonna implement that by putting everything inside of a custom view. So just like what I've got here, I extended a node. I'm going to do the same with my view. Although I'm not sure if I'm going to extend a node or if I'm going to perhaps extend a widget or something. Because if you go to the reference here, let's see, we have CC UI, we have UI nodes, and then we have widgets. And perhaps I can extend that. So let's make a new JavaScript file, and that's going to be called contract. And the contract view will look like this. Just gonna CCUI.widget. And does that have a constructor? Doesn't look like it. Just going to delete all of this here. Oh yeah, this is a contract view. So we're going to start with, oh no. Oh no. No, this happened last time. Okay, it's fine now. So this is 450 by 800, if I'm correct. So this looks to be about, let's see, we've got 200, 200. How high is this? Is this 50? $36. 36 times 3. That gets us 90. So 200 would be way too big. So I'm going to go with 50, and that should get us to about here. I think that's the right size. So I'm going to go with 50 by 150. Also, perhaps 45. So I'll go with, if you divide that by 3, you get 15, and then 150 across. And I'm going to go with a purple color scheme for my contract view. And that's why earlier I want to use purple. Just something. I think just the 3 is enough. I'm going to make a new one. It's cool how it retains the current color scheme. You can even download the palettes as files. Okay, enough talking this thing up. 150 by 15? No. No. This is... Oh yeah, 150 by 50. What am I on about? There we go. That looks about right. No, actually, yeah, I might make it 45, like I said. What is 45 times 3? 135. That's okay. Oh no. I do not want to maintain aspect ratio. Okay. Now, I want some kind of... what do I want to go for? It's a background color. Gray. It's a horrible background color. Okay, let's go with this circle here. Oh no, that's way too bright. Yeah, I messed this up. This needs to be about that. This needs to be... Okay, what's that? I think that's slightly better. So I'm going for some kind of bevel effect here. Not sure if I quite know how to do that, so bear with me while I try it out. It's not too bad. It's just this this area here where they link up. Could use some touching up here. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. Let's export that. Contract BG. BG stands for background. So first thing in our contract view is we're gonna go this dot set content size. We're gonna set it to 450 by 135. Then we're gonna and then we're gonna this just gonna add a what do we have, like a CCUI image or something, image view. Just like that. So it's going to be image. It's going to be res. What is it? Res contract bg.png. Add a node. Oh, that's so strange. Why does it add a node and not match out? Okay, let's go to the contract scene, and here we're gonna make a contract new why is this lowercase? I'm just gonna have to stick with this name convention. I really don't know why all my classes are lowercase though. They shouldn't be. Oh, and you see contracts layer is uppercase. No. Why is it like this? Okay. So let's see if this actually shows up. Perhaps the position. Do need to set this as well. and position 0. Alright, I'm just going to start it again in case it didn't pick anything up. Oh no. Here we go, contract view is not defined. Oh, isn't it now? What's that? Huh? I've got to add it to project JSON perhaps. Keep it tidy. Alright, try it now. I may have to start it again because I modified this file. Okay, oh, there we go. It's working, but there's nothing showing up. So what I could try is I could try adding this image instead and seeing if there's an issue with that. Right, so this image shows up. So if this image shows up, but the contract view doesn't, that means there's an issue with the way that I'm approaching this. Let me make this a node instead. Oh, yeah, that made it work. For some reason when it's a widget, it doesn't work. But if it's a node, it works. Alright, I'm happy with that. And this second reply should be 0, 0. Huh? Alright, I'm not buying this. Something isn't changing. Let's launch it again. Occasionally it will need resetting because some of the files it doesn't pick up. Oh, no, it's just, oh, perhaps it's the image view that needs setting back. Oh, nice. There we go. Now we got something. And it's all the way down there. Oh no, math. 175 plus 108. Oh wait, I don't need to do math. Computer can do math for me. Oh, shit. This is strange. know that it's supposed to be a 0, 0. It does, and yet we set the contract scene to. If I set this to 800, it should appear right at the top. But it doesn't. It's like a couple of let's give it a local 0 here. Huh. I put this to 400. 600. Oh, I see. Huh? Oh, it seems to be very confused about its, oh, because I scaled it. Oh, then perhaps, oh, of course, this shouldn't be happening here. This should be happening. Right, now it's working fine. This should be happening on the image inside. Okay, now it's all good. So now I can go back here and I can set the position just some kind of mathematical number. There we go. And that's sort of what it would look like. So we've got 2 contracts. What was it? 45 times 3. Yeah. Okay. That was good. Try it again. 45 times 6. Yeah, and I'm gonna check these inside of a scroll view. But that's enough for today. I'm gonna probably end this episode here, and I'll do a part 2 later. Alright, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you.